What up, though? It's your boy Bsgm, Kid Ratchet. We laughing. We the hottest part fad, you know. Young Station, shout out W, Swatty King, that dude. You know, the hottest Louisville talent, you know what I'm saying? Local talent. We in here, man. Don't forget to holler at me on the Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, SoundCloud, Reverb Nation, Dat Piff, Kid Ratchet. Google me, Kid Ratchet, Bsgm, Kid Ratchet, whatever you want to do, you feel me? Just fuck with me, take a listen, you know what I'm saying? That's a picture, I'm trying to paint something different. Fuck with me, straight street, we in here. Salute, 100.
Buzz that for me, DJ. First, before I get started, I like to say, what the fuck is good, everybody? Salute to everybody that done killed this motherfucker, man. Louis V. Yeah. Salute my nigga Stupid Swag. Salute my nigga DTA. Salute my nigga Trigger Law, Trigger Left. Like, you know, cause I'm back getting I got some shit to say to these niggas, you know what I'm saying? I don't want nothing from nobody but to feel me. Cause this is personal shit. This is just my life. So drop that shit for me. A blunt, a dollar, and a dream. First and foremost, I thank the Lord for bringing my newborn niece life. Cause I done lost 4 children in the course of a year in my life. Thinking I made a couple plays, nigga, we consider highlights. Boxing out the devil, I can tell you he won't win this fight. Praying for clarity, simple plans so progressively. Hoping that the ones I came up with won't have to bury me, no insurance. So my health is starting to get the best of me. Plans for your future, I'ma hit the game aggressively. No flexing zero with piranha, so we down to eat. Stuff a stick, pull down the 6 just to ignite my dreams. Like Chris, so I take off soon as I shake the scene. And to my niggas, I'm still with you trying to find the jeans. Cha-ching, cashing in for all of those I lead. They copacetic, having nothing, so I want everything. Some call it greed, I just call it working commensurately. It's a conundrum, all I see is clowns in a circus ring. Doing laps around these lanes, I got them circus schemes. Shifting to another lane, I keep a needless speed. Caught up in hot pursuit, still most wanted by the rivals team. Not to my surprise, but they despise all my lessons of pain. Despite it made me better, still focused on material things. Live life and learn it, roll else and burn it. Success you'll earn it. Knowledge is power, don't be fooled by the hoaxes. That's why I'm turning pages instead of scrolling. Sipping on this potion, planning to kill them off serious motive. I'm up in focus, but all my hard work goes unnoticed until I pull up in something stupid with a price tag on it. Hashtag this plenty of own it from Louisville with spit that Cali on it. Only the best, holding my chest, still won't sleep to my death.
Let's go, kid.
Only the best, I do it for y'all, no accounts for the rest. Only the best, a hole in my chest, still won't sleep to my death. Only the best, I do it for y'all. Eternally grateful for my moments, masquerade of emotions. I do this shit to remember times I was fucked up and homeless. Not a soul with a helping hand, cold shoulders from homies. And even after 3 years, still I'm my is lonely. Wanna say that I'm tripping, my imagination is haunted. Feelings don't need to separate myself. These people ain't for me, they want love, I want knowledge. They want marriage, I want a rocket. Shoot out from this place, turn a blind eye to those I bind with. Common sense, I promise, it's like they run out of it. People don't keep it a buck, too busy mentally counting fits at my home congregation, flipping bars like turning pages, enduring all of my lessons, just recollecting faces. Life and promise is the challenge, trying to complete these stages. They in their feelings, I'm in my mental. See the game we playing, it's not the same. If the structure of the words displaying, get up to my past as I lay out making funeral arrangements. Wow, this is my sign of just letting go. They watch me close, trying to keep my beats with a set of soul. And plan to get hit, and maybe it low. Start a family, and let every single worry go. Pretend as if the shit I've been through was just all a joke. Practice being a man, cause they don't listen, it's like I never spoke. They always look to me for help, but I never get the vote. A means to an end, take this knife and slice my throat. Sounds scary though, being a fall out like a centerfold. Playboy, hustler, maximum shit, choose your role. Time bombs with a short fuse. I'm set to blow. Walking alone in this world, I keep a cold and stroke. Tooling on me and I'm a jump till I can't jump no more. Paranoid, watching my back like I'm in someone's stove. Colors of the wind, you know I'm up in smoke. One with the waves, so if I jump, will I sink or float? Holding my chest, still won't sleep to my death. Only the best, I do it for y'all. Know what counts for the rest. Only the best, a hole in my chest, still won't sleep to my death.
Let's go, kid.
Only the best, I do it for y'all.
Yo, kid.
Ratchet.
That's my man, Kid Ratchet.
Yeah.
Show my man some love. He the hottest, the winner from the last, we the hottest part 12. Kid Ratchet.
Kid Ratchet.
Show out,
I
kid.
want somebody to feel me.
Let's go.
You know, I did this song 2 days ago in the studio just with the part of the honest part, man. I want somebody to feel me. I'm a ghetto boy, you know. I speak what comes from the soul. That's what I got and what I'm getting to. It's my grind, my determination, my man. Just feel me. And this is Ghetto Boy 2. Planet Mars, I'm about to take these niggas to another planet with this. Love. Engaged to a loving woman who only wants the best for me, ignoring all my signs like I'm blind. Yeah, my mind's running. Deep thoughts, they keep me lost as if I'm trying to find something steady approaching my return, dropping tears rolling out the onion. All of those I love counting me out, but I'm still thugging, mean mugging, leaving my past misfortunes without discussion. Keeping the cycle of all my conversations with my big cousin, cause he's the only one that stressed the importance of focus. Carrying my lungs, still moving, that's I'm a locomotive, embracing all my signs. For some reason I feel I was chosen at the same time. Past pain that kinda left me broken, deceived by a woman who only cared for me in my good moments. Had the upper hand for a second, but wanted more from me. Gave birth to a seed, even though she was the one for me. Raised a child that wasn't mine, she still ended up with nothing. Come to find out, I was the punchline to a joke unfunny. Looking at my emotions in ink. I guess this man's wrong, should know fuzzy, just hoping this ache. Eventually these crumbing, proceed with caution. Get them nauseous, sick to their stomach, predetermined. You see I'm yearning for the events that's coming. Everybody got opinions, they just trying to pass judgment. On the edge looking over, just fighting on budget. Every person deals with shit, I'm just trying to flush it. But in the meantime, I'm burning, so there's no budget for my family, nigga. And I did this for We the Hottest Part 5, nigga. 2 days before the show, bitch. You fucking me, for my family. 2746. We the hottest, we the shit. Planet Mars, legit. Shout out to the plug in this bitch. Daddy, let me get one more since I won part 4, man. Just one more.
Nah, we got 90 artists lined up though, but you are the king though right now, baby. Shorty G.
Hey, man, let's go, man. We're gonna do this shit, man, different, man. Look, check this out, man.
Watch your motherfucking life.
Watch your life. I'll be over there later on, man.